You are watching TFI.
Greetings, salutations, welcome to TFI. Acutely aware that I have a bag of cat food floating next to my ear boy here. We'll move on. So yesterday's video I did a piece on how Autodesk are retiring their network licenses. All their subscriptions and maintenance plans that are on multi-user are being retired next year, with a trade-in program starting May this year. We were all briefed on what was going down in the weeks following that announcement yesterday, and at no point did anyone mention anything about this being commercial only. Long story short, I've shot and made a video this morning, and I went on a massive tirade. It's all edited, it's all ready to render and go on YouTube. A massive tirade about poor communication from Autodesk, showing the forums and how there was no mention anywhere of education anywhere on any of the forum boards, how it's commercial only. And I thought, you know what, it could be communicated somewhere else. I don't want to get involved. Pick your battles, Neil. It's not worth it. So all I'm going to do in this video is just say, look, I've been fed a bit of information from somebody who's within the educational/training network. He's been given a bulletin which specifically states in very clear terms there is no change to multi-user and network licenses for education customers. If you're on the qualified educational institutions list in part of the Autodesk education community, everything remains intact. You are fine. Nothing's changing. This retirement is for commercial customers only. I really want to go on a tirade about how that should have been made a lot more clear to us in all of the briefings. Bear in mind that we all have an online presence and we're all communicating this online, and people who are in education see that information and see the chatter, and obviously they haven't received the message that it doesn't affect them. I'm not going to go there. Staying out of it. But that's the message. Apparently, if you're in education, you're unaffected. I'm going to leave it there. So apologies if I've replied to a comment in my video from yesterday saying omelets and eggs. I'm going to have to probably stop using that expression because it's a bit disrespectful. Up until yesterday, I was under the impression, because we were briefed very clearly, that this affects everyone. There was a list of a dozen products that were exempt because they couldn't figure out how to get them off of network licensing. But we were told everything was being retired, and there was no mention of education being exempt. But apparently education is exempt at this point. So there you go, that's the news. Hopefully that's eased your mind if you're in education, because I can imagine there was a bit of panic going down, just for obvious reasons. How do you manage named users in education? I get it. So there you go, that's what I've got. I hope that helps. See you in the next one. Toodles.